So, good morning, children. Today we'll start revising chapter number 5, acid, base, and salt. So, few of the questions are there. Already we had recapped the chapter that what we did. I hope you have everybody done the back exercise in the notebook. Now, this is a time for revision. So, first question I have taken that is fill in the blanks. So, one by one, I'll ask to you, unmute and kindly give the answer. First fill up is the most commonly used natural indicator is. I want the answer from Abhigyan. Or children, you can raise hand only. Abhigyan, I want answer from your side. Kindly unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the answer for first is
Turmeric.
beta, you need to give the answer for whole. The most commonly used indicator. Most commonly used indicator is not. It's not turmeric. Vansh Sharma.
Ma'am, if you Anna,
Vansh Sharma.
ma'am, may I give? Yes, ma'am.
Give the answer for first A part.
Ma'am, litmus paper.
Yes, the most commonly used indicator is litmus paper and it is extracted from
Lichens.
lichens. So children, you can write down. You can write down the answers with you. A part, litmus paper, and it is extracted from lichens or lichen, whatever you want to say, you can do. Second is B part. Aqueous solution of basic baking soda is bitter in taste and feels soapy to touch because it contains.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay, Tanvi, kindly raise your
Ma'am,
hands only.
ma'am, it contains a base.
Okay, it is basic in nature. It contains base. Okay, done. Next, Mukul Jain, C part. Dash are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. Okay, Bhumi Chaudhary can give the answer. She has raised hand. Bhumi Chaudhary, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
Ma'am, I raised my hand in mistakenly.
Okay, Shivam, you can give the answer.
Ma'am, indicator.
Indicator, very good. So the indicator are the substances which it is used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. Okay,
Ma'am,
D
it
part.
is not litmus.
Dash change their color when added to a solution containing an acid or basic solution. Dash changes their color. Vedika, you have raised hand.
Indicators.
Again, the answer is indicator. Okay, good. Next is E part. Lemon juice, orange juice taste sour because they contain. Children, kindly raise your hands. Only then I'll ask to you. No, raise hand
Ma'am, can I
virtually. Virtually, you need to raise the hand. Mahi Gupta. Mahi.
ma'am, it contains acid.
Okay. Because they contain acid. Good. F part. The solution which do not change the color of either blue of or red litmus are called dash. Let me check the raised hand. And Kavya.
Mom, neutral.
Neutral. Okay,
Neutral
yes.
solution.
Neutral solutions. Good. Fiona. Next G part is turmeric and litmus are dash acid base indicators. Turmeric. Fiona, you can give the answer.
Turmeric and natural acid base.
Yes, very good. They are natural acid base indicators. Next, H part. In neutralization reaction, heat is always, raise your hand. Vedika has given the answer. Okay, Vansh Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in neutralization reaction, heat is always absorbed.
No, beta. Always heat is always produced.
Okay, ma'am.
Heat is always produced. So you can write down the answer. Heat is always produced in the neutralization reaction. Next, I part. Salt may be dash or dash in nature. Children, kindly switch on your, raise your hands. So Bhumi Chaudhary, now you know the answer.
Ma'am, yes. Salt may be neutral, basic, or acidic in nature.
Mahi, please sit properly. Mahi, don't do whatever are you doing. Stop doing it. Okay. Yes, answer is correct. Salt may be acidic or basic in nature. Next is J part. Chemically, milk of magnesia is dash and baking soda is dash. So yesterday you read that what does milk of magnesia? Shivam, you will give the answer. Shivam.
Magnesium hydroxide.
Yes. Chemically, milk of magnesia is magnesium
Magnesia
hydroxide.
carbonate.
Okay, hydroxide. And baking soda is Lavish. Will you give the answer? What is another name for baking soda?
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Tell me, who will tell me? You had underlined in the book baking soda, another name for baking soda. Who know the answer? Tanvi,
Ma'am,
you
can I
know?
give one Sharma? Ma'am, can I
Yes,
give
okay,
one
Vansh, you
Sharma?
can tell. Yes, Vansh.
Ma'am, sodium bicarbonate.
Yes, sodium bicarbonate. So children, you can write down. Milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide and baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. So these two are the bases. Next K part. China rose indicator turns dash solution to dark pink and dash solution to green. Ayan, unmute. Ayan Malik, kindly give the answer. China rose indicator. Dark pink color it gives with. Okay, Tanvi, give the answer.
Ma'am, acid.
Read the complete sentence, beta.
Magnetar.
So, hydrochloric acid.
I had asked to Tanvi.
Ma'am, China rose indicator turns acidic solution to dark pink and basic solution to green.
Okay, this is the right answer. Acidic solution to dark pink and basic solution to green. Okay, next is Abhigyan. Next part. The correct way of making a solution of acid in water is to, how we can make a solution of acid?
Add acid to water.
Is to add acid to water. Yes, answer is already written. The add, we need to add acid to water. Okay. Nishchajan, read MCQ number 2.
Yes, ma'am. Sodium bicarbonate is commonly called
Options are,
baking soda.
yes.
Um,
Options: lime water, slaked lime, washing soda, or baking soda. So just you have done. The another name for sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. Done. Next, Sejal. Which of the following statement is correct? Indicator is a substance that shows different colors in acid and basic solution. Turmeric stain on white shirt turns to red when it is washed with soap. Lime water is a solution of calcium hydroxide. All the above are correct. So what will be the right answer for it? Nabil, can you give the answer? Nabil Khan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, what is the answer for it? This one, second, third one. Does all the statements are true?
First statement.
The answer is
first-
D part. Answer is D
All
part.
the
All
above.
the above statements are true.
All of the above.
Karnika Singh.
Okay.
So right answer is all the above statements are correct. Let's go for the another one. Mukul Jain.
Neutralization reaction is a
you need to
physical and reversible change. Physical change that cannot be reversed. Chemical and reversible change. Chemical change that cannot be reversed.
So you can give the answer. Which one is the correct one? First of all, you should know that neutralization reaction, is it a chemical or a physical change? So many examples you have done. You may tell that either it is a physical or a chemical change.
Ma'am, chemical change that cannot be reversed.
Yes, beta. New substances are formed and that cannot be
Okay.
changed. So you may tell.
Ma'am, the answer is chemical change that cannot be.
Yes, good. So the answer is D part. Let me start. Question number 5 is, which of the following is an acid base indicator? So you have to tell vinegar.
Can I, Shona?
First of all, beta, it's a turn of Praveen now. Vinegar, lime water, turmeric, baking soda. Children, I want everybody to switch on the cameras. Now ma'am is there. She will see you. Switch on your cameras, everybody. Yes, Praveen.
Vinegar.
Vinegar is a acid solution.
Vinegar.
No, beta, no. Vinegar is not the right answer. Bhavya Joshi, will you tell?
Ma'am, I think one turmeric.
Yes, turmeric is the right answer, children. Because vinegar, lime water, these two are the acids. Baking soda is your base and turmeric is your indicator, acid base indicator. Okay. Next question number 6 is, litmus is a natural dye. Is an extract of which of the following? I want everybody to raise hand.
Can I give one Sharma?
Okay. Yes, Vansh Sharma.
Ma'am, option C, lichen.
Yes, option C is lichen. Because
Can I give the answer of the question number 7?
wait, Mukul, wait. Let's first of all, let's complete question number 6. So lichen is the right answer. Lichen is the right answer because litmus is a natural dye which is obtained from lichen. After that, question number 7. Which medicine is used for treating indigestion? So your options are in front of you. Okay, Mukul, now you can tell.
Can I?
Wait, children. Wait.
Ma'am, can I tell Utkarsh Pandey?
Okay, Utkarsh Pandey will tell the.
Ma'am,
Utkarsh Pandey.
Ma'am, antibiotic hai.
No, Parth, it is a wrong answer. Utkarsh need to
Can
give.
I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell Mahi?
Okay, Mahi.
Can I tell?
Ma'am, antiseptic.
Ma'am, may
Mahi.
I tell Mahi?
Yes, Mahi, give the answer.
Ma'am, may I
Antacids.
tell Tanvi?
Option C is correct. Antacids.
Antacids.
Antacids are there. Children, rest. Nobody will unmute. Only one of the child is going to give the answer. So number 7 is antacid are taken when there is a indigestion, because in the case of indigestion, the acid is formed in our body. Okay. Next is uh, question number 8. Provide the chemical name of below acids or base. So children, this was a table in your book in which the other names were written. So I'm asking one by one. Now Kavya Thakur, you can give the another name for vinegar, chemical name. Kavya,
Acetic acid.
yes, very good. Another name for vinegar is acetic acid. Bhumi Chaudhary has raised hand, Vansh Sharma has raised hand, Fiona has raised hand. So one by one you can tell. Bhumi Chaudhary, you can give the answer for second one. B part, fruits. One example has been given, orange. What can be the chemical name?
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Mahi, you can give the answer. You have raised hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Answer for this fruits. Provide the chemical name for fruits or orange. Anybody else who know the answer for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, can I
Abhigyan.
tell? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's citric acid.
Yes. Okay, citric acid. Orange, you know, that is sometime sour in taste. So it contains citric acid. Okay, good. Next is curd.
Ma'am,
For
I can tell now.
okay, Bhumi Chaudhary, give the answer.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait, beta, wait.
Ma'am,
One has to.
lactic acid.
Yes, lactic acid it is. So for curd, which acid is present? Then the chemical name of that is acetic lactic acid. Next is lime water.
Ma'am, can I give one Sharma?
Ma'am, can I give?
May I tell Mahi?
No children, only raise hand. Then I will ask. Lavish Garg, you have not given.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, lime water, calcium hydroxide.
Okay, very good. Calcium
Ma'am, can I give?
hydroxide. Wait, beta, wait. He has given the answer. Lime water is calcium hydroxide. Okay, good. Next, E part is window cleaner.
Ma'am, can I give Tanvi?
Wait, Tanvi. Rest. Let me check who has raised the hand. Okay, Ayan Malik, you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayan will tell.
Ammonium hydroxide.
Hydroxide. In window cleaner, we use ammonium hydroxide. Okay, good. Yes, ammonium hydroxide. Good. Next, soap. Nishche Jain.
Ma'am, sodium hydroxide.
Okay, soap is having a sodium hydroxide. So children, these were the chemical name and the table is given in your book. I want everybody to learn the name of bases and acids. Okay, Avishi, don't worry, I will ask to you also. Let's go for the next question. This is just for the revision, children. So now let's check short answer type questions. So Avishi, I want you to read first question. Avishi, unmute. Children, switch on your cameras. Bhavya Joshi, Adhyay, Karnika, Ayush. Avishi, will you read? Give a reason why great care should be taken while handling laboratory acids and bases. Tell me.
Ma'am, can I give one Sharma?
No, beta Vansh, wait for a second. Let me ask to others. I had asked to Avishi. Avishi, would you like to give the answer? Anybody else? Adhyay, Bhavya Joshi.
Ma'am, may I, Kavya?
But again and again, same children are giving the answer. Okay, Kavya, give.
Great care should be taken while handling laboratory acids and bases because these are corrosive in nature, irritating and harmful to skin. They can damage our skin as well.
Very good. So I think everybody has got the answer. Next, solid powder of baking soda does not turn dry litmus paper to blue in color. What can be the reason for it? Solid powder of baking soda does not turn dry litmus paper to blue in color. What can be the reason for it? Anybody of you, among you? So rest of the questions, children, if they will be left, so you can find the answers yourself, or in the next class we are going to discuss.